Ever wondered why some relationships sparkle while others just fizzle out? Hint: it's not always about the grand gestures. Stick around and unravel the secrets with us. Number 1. The mysterious connection of socks and love. Curious? Ever pondered why mismatched socks disappear? It's kind of like communication in relationships. Ready to unveil the surprising link? Isn't it bizarre how those mismatched socks vanish, leaving you wondering where they've slipped off to? Similarly, in relationships, communication can drift away, unnoticed. Think of every conversation as a pair of socks. They need to match, right? Otherwise, they stand out, and not in a good way. Here's a relatable scenario. You've had a tiring day, and all you want is your partner to understand your feelings without uttering a word. But, expecting them to read your mind? That's like hoping the dryer will magically pair up those socks. Action step for you. The next time you find a mismatched sock, let it be your little reminder. Check in with your partner. Number 2. The ultimate dream every heart pines for. Dreamt of a love as timeless as the classics? You're not alone. But what's the deep desire every relationship silently yearns for? Every heart has that quiet wish, doesn't it? A love story that feels like those heartwarming movies you secretly binge-watch on weekends. But what if the real secret isn't about candlelit dinners or unexpected gifts? What if it's something more foundational? That deep, heart-throbbing desire every relationship yearns for? Genuine understanding. You want to feel seen, heard, and acknowledged. And guess what? So does your partner. Here's a golden nugget for you. Dedicate just 10 minutes each day, distraction-free, to truly listen to your partner. No phone, no TV, just undivided attention. And watch how this little ritual transforms your bond. In those moments, it's not about problem-solving or giving advice. Number 3. Communication Bootcamp for Newbies. Hey, rookie in love. Navigating your first relationship? Discover foundational tips that'll set you on the path to ever-growing connection. So, you've embarked on this exhilarating journey of love, huh? Relationships can feel like assembling a piece of IKEA furniture, incredibly rewarding but sometimes puzzling. The instructions? Communication. But here's the catch: just as every furniture piece is unique, so is every relationship. No one-size-fits-all blueprint here. Instead, consider this beginner's toolkit tailored just for you. Mirror talk. When your partner shares something, mirror it back. It could be, "So, you felt disappointed when." This shows you're truly tuned in. Embrace the pause. Silence isn't your enemy. After your partner speaks, take a brief moment. This tiny pause can lead to deeper, more meaningful conversations. Curiosity is key. Instead of assuming, ask open-ended questions. How did that make you feel? Is golden. Number 4. Reinventing the relationship wheel. Tired of the same old advice? Discover a fresh perspective that promises to redefine the way you view connection in love. You've heard it all before, right? The age-old tips. Listen more, compromise, speak your mind. But let's shake things up a bit. Because maybe, just maybe, there's an uncharted path waiting for your footsteps. Redefining rituals. How about crafting your unique couple rituals? Every Sunday, you and your partner can jot down one thing you wish the other person knew about your week. Exchange notes, discuss, repeat. It's like your personal love newsletter. The alphabet game. Dedicate each week to a letter. A week? Maybe appreciate or apologize. B week? Perhaps back in time, memories or building future dreams. The catch? It has to revolve around communication. Use tech wisely. Next time you're texting your partner, try voice notes instead. Hearing each other's tones and laughs? Priceless. Number 5. The current trend in Loveville. Have you caught on to the hottest relationship trend of the year? It's revolutionizing couple communication as we know it. Alright, pop quiz. You've kept your ear to the ground about the latest fashion trends, but have you tuned into the buzzing trend in relationship circles? No, it's not couple TikTok challenges, though those are fun. It's about active appreciation. Gone are the days when an occasional, "I love you," would suffice. In our fast-paced world, love requires a bit more pizzazz. So, here's the trend. Everyday active appreciation. It's about catching those small, often overlooked moments. Noticed your partner taking out the trash? A simple, "Hey, I saw what you did there, and it made my day easier," can make waves. Your actionable step? Keep a tiny notebook or a note on your phone. Every day, jot down one thing you actively appreciated about your partner and tell them. Number 6. The unexpected link between coffee and chats. Who knew your morning brew had this secret ingredient for communication? Ready to sip on this enticing revelation? Alright, let's play a game of fast forward. Imagine, 10 years from now, you and your partner reminiscing about the good old days. How do you envision it? Now, let's reverse engineer this vision. Your secret tool? Future dialogues. Every now and then, indulge in conversations about the future. Not just the big stuff, like houses and kids, but the flavors of life. Which country would you want to visit? What hobby would you want to pick up together? The color of the dog you might adopt? The magic isn't just in dreaming. It's in shaping those dreams together. And by visualizing, you're setting a shared trajectory. Your task? Initiate one future dialogue this week. Number 7 to 21 days to transform your bond. What if in just 3 weeks, your relationship could be singing a different tune? Discover how the magic number can redefine your connection. Time is a funny thing, isn't it? Sometimes it seems to race by, while at other moments, it drags its feet. But when it comes to nurturing your relationship, time becomes your canvas. Introducing the 30-day turnaround challenge. In just 1 month, you can revamp the way you and your partner communicate. Here's how. Day 110. Small talk revival. Remember when you'd chat about anything and everything? Rediscover that. Ask your partner about their favorite childhood candy or the weirdest dream they ever had. Day 1120. Deep dive discussions. Venture into meaningful territories. Share fears, ambitions, and vulnerabilities. Day 2130. Reflect and rejoice. Recap your favorite discussions from the past 20 days. Celebrate the moments that made you both go, aha. Number 8. The love pitfalls you didn't see coming. Afraid of hitting a relationship rut? It's more common than you think. Learn about the barriers you should steer clear of for a thriving bond. Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows, especially in relationships. It's the storms that often test the strength of your ship. But what if you could navigate these rough waters more efficiently? First, understand that disagreements aren't about winning, it's about understanding. So, the next time those dark clouds loom, instead of getting defensive, try saying, "Help me understand your perspective better." Then, there's the 24-hour rule. If a dispute doesn't resolve, give it a break. Revisit it after 24 hours. You'd be amazed how clearer things can look after a pause. And remember, while it's essential to express your grievances, it's equally crucial to highlight the positive. For every complaint, try to mention 5 good things about your partner. Number 9. Tomorrow's communication tools, today. Future telling isn't just for fortune tellers. What if you could glimpse the communication tools of tomorrow, today? Ready for the scoop? Imagine you're in a treasure hunt, and the prize? A deeper connection with your partner. But here's the twist. The map is silent moments. Yes, the power of quiet is an underrated gem in relationships. Now, before you scratch your head, think about it. In a world buzzing with constant noise, taking a moment to just be silent with your partner can be golden. Next time you're together, instead of filling every moment with words, allow some stillness. Sit on a porch, watch the sunset, or simply enjoy a cup of coffee. These silent intervals let you both sink emotionally without uttering a word. It's in these moments you might discover new facets of your partner, things words could never convey. Number 10. The relationship aspiration almost everyone misses. There's a dream every couple chases, often in vain. Do you know what your heart truly desires? Dive deep and uncover the yearning within. Let's get real. What are those wild, heart-thumping dreams you secretly nurture? You know, the ones that make your soul dance. Now, think about sharing these dreams with your partner, not just as tales but as shared quests. First step? Create a dream jar. Every month, Jot down a dream, big or small, and pop it into this jar. Your partner does the same. At month's end, exchange and discuss. Maybe it's a weekend getaway to a cabin or learning to tango. Whatever it is, plan for it together. When you work towards a mutual dream, it's not just the goal, but the journey that binds you. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.